Hi everyone, Ryan here. In today's video I've got a little apple tree to play with. It's not a crab apple, it's like an eating apple, I think it is. I need to get it repotted, change the angle so we can get some movement in the tree, and we need to make a decision on what to lose on the top. It might end up back to just a trunk because we've got loads of little buds popping and regrow the full tree, but it's just a cluster at the top. We could make a broom style one, but we'll get it potted up, get all the old soil off. It's been in here about 3 years now, and I'm surprised it grew in that little pot. What we'll do is we'll get it out, get a look at the root system, see what's going on underneath, then we'll make a decision on what we're going to do with it. So stay tuned and we'll get into it. Okay, first things first, we need to cover it out the pot. We'll just rake away and have a look, see what we have. Got a big curly root there. Might take that one off there, then we'll have a look at that high one. We've got to start the nice roots there, and we've got this big chunk that comes up here and curls back on itself. I'm just going to cut it off, see what happens. So I want to take that one off, that comes back on itself. I've got some roots coming out there. This one. That one off there. We haven't got much on this side. We've got something, but we need to tease them up, and I dare to get shot of that big one there, like. So we've got nothing on there, we've just got a few straggly roots, which we're going to have to let thicken up. I'm not going to remove this, because if I take that off, we're literally going to have nothing left. We've got a few roots here going further back, so I can cut it back to there. So these roots here will take over, and what we can do is just clean that up in a few years. Let these roots come out here, take over, clean that up. That's all I'm willing to take off that. I don't take no more off. I'll stick some cut paste on that. So for the pot, I'm just going to use a rectangle pot, which is a bit bigger than that. Like I said, it was just chucked in there to get it away a few years ago. I want to try and hide that root, so I want to try and pot it like that, so we can have the movement in this bit of the tree. Then we'll make a decision what to do with them. I'll get some soil. So I want to bury that bit, and I want the angle about there. What I want to do is space these roots out what we have, so we can start and create a radial root pattern. Well, you're starting with one anyways. That makes one there. I've just spaced about in the pot. Now we need to tie it in. Checking the movement, what you want. So we're going for that. Use old chopsticks and work it all in. You all know that bit. You'll know when you're getting the air out because the soil will drop. So just keep going until you get the air out. Most important thing, tighten the wire. Solid. So we're trying to drink of water. This is the movement I'm looking for in this apple. We've got buds starting to pop at the back and further down the trunk here. I was thinking about that way, but then this top comes off at a 90-degree angle. So I'm just going to take that off there. So this is the movement we're having. This could be the first branch because it's a nice thick one. So we're going to have to, I want to lay them buds on at the back. Take that off to there. Then I'm going to butcher it even more and take that off in there. We can clean them cuts up later on. Going to add a bit of wire on there to put a bit of movement into that. And I'm just going to let it grow and let all these buds grow so we can have something in the back. So we're coming up. Up the trunk movement and up the trunk. Like I said when I started the video, that'll be getting cut back hard. Especially with it's repot, it might enjoy it now. It's got room to move, so it might soak away this year. So that's it basically for this one. It's just a little short one just to get it repotted really and take off what I don't want. There's all the little buds in the back coming down the tray. But we'll have our movement in the tray now. I'm going to put a little bit bend in there, add a bit more movement. First branch, whatever grows will fill in the back, and whatever grows off here we can start creating the top of the tray. So that's it for this little video on this bottle. Like I said, I was going to cut it right back and start from scratch on it. The bits I cut off, I'm just going to stick in routing powder and just stick it in a pot. If it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we're coming into spring now, so we could be lucky. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!